as they lovingly call her, is a blue and red parrot who likes to be clean and beautiful. The most outstanding characteristics of hers are punctuality, joy, and sincerity. Every day, Lolita flies from home to school, and when she feels tired, she eats seeds and drinks water from a canteen. Then, she continues her journey in the company of her bird friends, Yvonne the toucan, Claudia the macaw, Santiago the canary, Paula the dove, and Rahul the hummingbird. The route is packed with green landscapes, leafy trees, and bright yellow flowers. Lolita, how pretty you are! The horses neigh whenever they see her fly. She smiles and greets them with a cheerful morning song. 4 legs are the ones that the equine has, a long tail with the texture of a pine, 2 ears standing upright like synchronized antennas, and fur as soft as cotton specks. When she arrives at school, she often looks at herself in a mirror and pays close attention to others. One day, tactlessly, she says to Claudia, "We all think you're very unpleasant and selfish. We don't want you in the group." The macaw feels heartbroken and cannot answer because tears don't allow her to speak fluently. The next morning, Claudia becomes indifferent to every activity. She isolates herself and feels nervous. However, Yvonne the toucan, who is the most empathetic and closest to her, approaches and asks her why she has been absent. "I know that nobody likes me because Lolita told me so," Claudia answers crestfallen. Yvonne carefully organizes a secret meeting where he gathers everyone together, including Lolita, and explains how Claudia is feeling. Santiago the canary, who is the most observant, realizes that Lolita caused the whole problem. "Lolita, you had no mercy!" he exclaims impulsively. Paula the dove, who is the peacemaker, quickly tries to calm down the situation and the uproar among her friends. Then she says the words that lead everyone toward reconciliation. "We are all different, and we all can improve." We know that Claudia sometimes has a bad attitude, but we can tell her what we think in a kind way. Silence fills the room as all the birds begin thinking and reflecting deeply. Suddenly, Rahul the hummingbird, the most detailed and joyful bird, comes up with a wonderful idea. "We should have a huge party with lights and colors to bring everyone together again." All the birds think it is a fantastic idea. Lolita takes the lead. "I think I owe the macaw an apology. I'll be the one who invites her, and I'll do it delicately." She approaches Claudia, who is crying, hugs her warmly, and tells her how much she loves her friendship. Then she invites her to the party. Claudia accepts the apology and, with great joy, also accepts the invitation. That same day, after school, at Lolita's house, there is a huge and wonderful party.